A business idea is like a plant. It will grow and thrive if you give it the right environment and care, but if you neglect it, it will wither and die. The key to a successful business is finding an idea you are passionate about and can see yourself doing long-term. It should also be something that solves a problem or meets a need in the market. Welcome to Money Invest. Here are 15 business ideas that are worth trying. Stay until the end to find out what business idea is best for you. 1. Start a chatbot agency. Chatbots are changing how businesses interact with their audiences, and demand for this tech creates an excellent opportunity for you to establish your own bot-building company. As businesses advance with their technology initiatives, they increasingly depend upon highly useful pieces of dedicated software. Designing a chatbot building company offers you an opportunity to seize on this trend. Setting up a chatbot development business does not require you to have any coding or technical knowledge. Through platforms like MobileMonkey, you can create a bot using artificial intelligence in as little as 5 minutes. MobileMonkey offers an entirely visual interface, and because you can build bots for free, you can practice and refine yourself until you're ready to charge clients. The fastest way to profit is to become niched down into a specific type of business. From here, you just need to modify a few features to provide your new client with a chatbot service. If, for example, you provide marketing services to physicians and dentists, you may simply adapt the dentist's office chatbot to other clients. 2. Create an online course. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it for profit. One great thing about online courses is that they can be sold again and again, providing you with a residual income stream. To get started, think about what you could teach that would be valuable to others and create a course around it. Once you have your course, you'll need to create a sales page and market it to your audience. You can create and sell your course using platforms like Teachable or Udemy. With Teachable, you can create a course in as little as 30 minutes. 3. Create a popular social media channel. If you're passionate about a particular topic, you can create a social media channel devoted to that subject. Social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Snapchat offer opportunities for you to build an audience and generate income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Create content around your passion and share it on your chosen platform to get started. Once you've built up a following, you can begin to monetize your channel with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. 4. Offer consulting services. You could work as an independent consultant, depending on your area of specialization. In addition to having greater independence than workers who work directly for a business, consultants frequently earn higher salaries. In addition to assisting businesses with impending structural gaps, working as a consultant enables you to participate and integrate into a team without making any long-term commitments that limit your freedom. 5. Become a translator. Being bilingual has many benefits, especially in the increasingly international world we now live in. If you are bilingual, you may consider offering translation services to businesses so they can translate papers and create efficient lines of contact with other firms. You may also specialize in offering technical translations if you have knowledge in a specific industry like law or medical. Using all necessary lingo and offering high-quality services will help you establish a reputation in your field. 6. Aerial photography. With the technological advances in recent years, aerial photography has become more accessible than ever before. Who are your ideal clients? Developers of real estate, couples planning a wedding ceremony, film and music producers, and so on. With as little as $1,500, you can get started with the proper equipment and software. Of course, you will need a drone, but you also need a good camera and editing software like Adobe Photoshop. 7. Create an app. With over 2 billion active app users, there's a lot of opportunity in the app market. If you have a great idea for an app, you can develop it yourself or hire a developer to do it for you. Once your app is complete, you can market it on app stores, social media, and other channels. Furthermore, virtual reality software has grown in popularity throughout the years, so there is also a demand for VR app development. 8. Transcription service. A transcription service will enable you to work from home with a flexible schedule if you have a good ear and can type swiftly. The expansion of speech recognition technologies for healthcare provider dictation has led to a need for medical transcription services. You may choose how many or how few transcribing tasks you want to take. This flexibility might be especially useful if you don't want to start right away or if you want to retain your day job for the time being. Consider becoming a certified transcriptionist and specializing in a few areas to improve your company possibilities and allow you to charge more. The usual rate for medical transcriptionists is 6 to 14 cents per line, which adds up rapidly. Keep track of the tasks you accept because transcribing work often has a 24-hour turnaround period. But because you may initially just accept a small number of requests, you can scale up when you're ready. The starting and overhead costs are really low, which is the best part. Only a computer, the necessary software, and a secure messaging service are required. 9. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model in which e-commerce entrepreneurs sell products without having to carry any inventory. When a store owner receives an order from a customer, they simply contact the supplier, who will ship the products directly to the customer's door. Dropshipping apps like Oberlo let you add products from various suppliers into your shop to fuel your product offering. The best part about dropshipping is that it's a low-risk business model. You don't have to invest any money in inventory upfront. And because the products are shipped directly from the supplier to the customer, you don't have to worry about warehousing or fulfilling orders. To start dropshipping, you'll need to create a store and list products from suppliers. Once you receive an order from a customer, you simply contact the supplier, who will then ship the products directly to the customer's door. 10. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards an affiliate for each successful referral that they generate. For example, if you have a fashion blog and recommend a particular dress to your readers, you will earn a commission from the company if they purchase the dress. Check out platforms like Commission Junction or ClickBank to find profitable products to promote. And once you find a product you like, promote it on your blog or social media channels. 11. Sell on Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace for handmade, vintage, and unique goods. If you're a creative entrepreneur with a knack for making beautiful things, then selling on Etsy could be a great way to make money online. To get started, create a shop on Etsy and start listing your products. You'll need to provide basic information about your business and product, as well as upload pictures. 12. WordPress support. Many websites are hosted on WordPress, and almost every WordPress website owner needs some sort of assistance. So whether you're familiar with the ins and outs of this platform, you'll have several opportunities to earn money. Clients may reach out to you for CSS repair, security flaws discovery and correction, and other tasks. We recommend developing a custom website and promoting your services there rather than using platforms like People Per Hour or Upwork to get your initial clients. That way, you'll be able to avoid costly commissions and develop strong client relationships. 13. App tester. If you're an avid app user, you can get paid to test out new apps and give feedback about them. Companies are always looking for beta testers to try out their new apps. And in return for your feedback, they'll usually pay you a small monetary reward or offer you freebies. 14. Career coaching. There's no shortage of individuals searching for work these days, especially with growing unemployment and a saturated job market. You may certainly assist others if you have a gift for assisting friends and family in finding suitable employment. Consider launching a career counseling firm where you can assist people in choosing their ideal career, how to ace an interview, what qualities make a strong applicant, and more. You may hunt for customers on websites like Coach.me or Facebook groups. The best part of this service is that 4 to 5 hourly sessions can be held each month and still generate revenue. Additionally, you may coach several customers at once. Career coaching can be the best choice if you're seeking profitable company concepts that won't take up too much time. 15. Travel planning. If you love to travel and have a knack for organizing complex itineraries, why not get paid to plan other people's vacations? There are many companies and individuals who would rather outsource their travel planning to someone else. This business is perfect for those passionate about travel and a keen eye for detail. Create a website and promote your travel planning services to get started. You can also reach out to local businesses, such as travel agencies or tour operators, and offer your services. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want to support us, and we'll see you in our next video.